Home remedies to get rid of pimples that work fast. Are pimples robbing your peace? Well, that will not happen anymore. We bring to you an extensive list of the best natural remedies that can help you to get rid of pimples overnight. You will also get to know a few tips and tricks, the causes of pimples, their types, and everything else that you need to know about pimples. Pimples or acne are skin lesions, inflammations that occur when the sebaceous glands or oil glands of the skin get infected with bacteria and swell up. Pimples are also known as pustules or papules, spots, and zits. The sebaceous glands that are present throughout the skin, except in the palms and soles, secrete a waxy or oily substance called sebum. The sebum helps to maintain the oil balance of the skin and makes it look healthy. When there is any abnormality in the sebaceous gland, pimples develop. Home remedies to get rid of pimples. Here are a few effective home remedies to cure and remove pimples. 1. Change your lifestyle. You might use many natural remedies to reduce pimples on your face and back, but if your lifestyle includes late nights, stress, excess drinking and smoking, then your pimples will keep on recurring. So you have to change your habits. Avoid late nights as far as possible and try to sleep at the same time every day. Also try to get in at least 8 hours of sleep every day. Exercise regularly to de-stress and quit alcohol and nicotine. 2. Drink 9 to 10 glasses of water daily. This pimple solution for boys really works, so do not underestimate it. Drink at least 8 to 10 glasses of fluids daily to keep your skin clean from the inside out. Water helps throw out toxic waste and keeps your pores clear. It also flushes out the acne-causing bacteria, and with this natural remedy you will start noticing a huge difference in your skin's appearance. 3. Avoid the sun. Sun's harsh UV rays can aggravate pimples. Always use a non-comedogenic sunscreen when stepping outside. Do cover yourself up when at the beach with a wide-brimmed hat or an umbrella. Avoid the peak sunny hours between 10 a.m. and 4 p.m. 4. Improve your diet. If you are looking for permanent pimple solutions, you must change your diet. This means limiting your intake of red meat, dairy and sugar. All these are inflammation-causing foods. Consume more fruits and vegetables instead. Eat plenty of salads daily. Go for whole grains instead of refined ones. You can also eat lean meat, but try to choose organic foods to limit toxins and pesticides. 5. Use aloe vera gel. As far as the best natural treatment for pimples in men is concerned, aloe vera emerges as a winner. Aloe extracts contain soothing, anti-inflammatory compounds that reduce redness and swelling. It is also antibacterial and fights pimple-causing germs. Use a good cream or lotion containing 100% aloe. You can also cut open an aloe leaf and directly apply its gel on the zits. Wash off after 10 minutes. 6. Take apple cider vinegar daily. This is the best pimple solution for oily skin for men and women suffering from acne breakouts. Drink a tablespoon of organic, raw apple cider vinegar daily, first thing upon waking up, even before breakfast. This remedy will detoxify your system and help your kidneys transfer out waste products. It is also a fantastic remedy for curing constipation, which is one of the leading causes of pimples in boys and girls. Also apply apple cider vinegar over the zits every day to get rid of blemishes and acne scars. 7. Use salicylic acid cleanser. Salicylic acid is an effective pimple fighter. Many products containing salicylic acid are available over the counter. Wash your face twice a day with one to minimize pimple-causing bacteria. You can also use creams and gels with salicylic acid. Alternatively, use witch hazel, which also contains natural salicitates to fight acne's bacteria that are responsible for zits. 8. Honey. Honey is nature's gift to help us cure blemishes and pimples, especially for you with oily skin. Use honey all over the pimples to draw out excess sebum. With its antibacterial properties, it can pour pimples and also maintain the moisture content of the skin. You can make an all-natural homemade anti-acne mask containing honey and yogurt to reduce pimples overnight. 9. Turmeric. Turmeric is anti-inflammatory, which can prevent acne. Apply a paste of turmeric in water all over the acne to dry them up overnight. You can also consume turmeric daily by adding the powder to soups, curries or in the form of tea. 10. Use best herbs for acne. There are many herbal remedies that can blast acne: asparagus, burdock, calendula, birch, arnica, neem, lavender, and jojoba oils. They are available in the form of tinctures, oils or pills. Talk to herbalists whether they are right for you. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and follow the link below this video for more information.